This is our proposal for enabling quaternion expressions in libmapper. So basically, motivation is just that some of our DMIs and other interactive systems use quaternions for representing orientations. And so it can be convenient to do things like quaternion rotations, since they don't suffer from gimbal lock, and interpolations potentially as well. So I propose that we add some functions to the expression engine, including conjugate, inverse, multiply, and quaternion slope, and perhaps rotation as well, though we could do that with multiply, for example. This is already implemented in a branch if you want to check it out, and I'd appreciate any feedback about function naming, whether you think this is useful, if there's additional functions that you think are missing. The last point was just whether or not there should be a quaternion data type to actually identify that certain vector 4s are actually quaternions. And I think I'm actually proposing that we don't do that because we like people being able to do ad hoc mappings anyway. So it wouldn't really make a difference. We're really going to treat it as a vector. And if someone wants to pull an element out of that and abuse it, map it to something, then that's fine. Just kind of ignore the fact that it's a quaternion. Or if they want to try to run quaternion functions on a non-quaternion, then and suffer the consequences, that's fine. So perhaps we can just use the units metadata to deal with this. Anyway, I appreciate your feedback.